It's hard to live in a world void of the internet, and even if the internet happens to hit snooze for a bit, the world goes into panic. Slow internet is another thing that tests one's patience levels quite tremendously, and Elon has come to the rescue with Starlink. Hello guys, and welcome back to Entirely Elon Musk. Before we get into the details of the breaking news with regard to Starlink, let's take a look at what Starlink is exactly. Starlink is a group of satellites that's being launched into space to provide better internet coverage for those living in regions where internet access or connection is poor. This whole program is handled by Elon Musk through his company SpaceX, and the launching of satellites for this program started in 2019. Since then, these satellites have provided internet access to more than 36 countries. As per the latest reports dating from July 2022, Starlink has launched around 3,000 of its satellites in LEO, also known as low Earth orbit, and has over 500,000 subscribers. So far, Starlink was providing its users with a standard option of antenna to cater to the customer's internet needs. Now, Starlink has come up with an upgrade that has left everyone excited. The new satellite that's being produced comes with a double antenna capability. What makes this all the more exciting is that this upgrade comes with an increase in reach. Yes, this means that new countries will be added to Elon Musk's roster of countries in which satellite access will prevail. Ookla is a web service that provides free analysis of factors such as data rate and latency with the aid of speed test. According to this company, Starlink is currently providing the fastest average satellite broadband speed, beating the competition that traditionally broadband currently provides. Apart from traditional broadband being a competitor, Amazon always has tricks up its sleeves whenever SpaceX or any of Elon's companies comes out with any breakthrough technology of development. As of now, Amazon has come up with their project Kuiper, which was launched a short while back and is now accessible to around 32 nations. Let's get back to Starlink now. Starlink comes with high-speed and low-latency broadband and can be used in the more remote areas of the world where the traditional internet connection is not accessible or doesn't function well. In these areas, the users will be getting internet via satellite, and the internet speeds here are not at all bad. In fact, one can expect a good internet speed of 150 Mbps in these regions. Moreover, it is operated using satellites. One must make sure to keep the satellite outside in a clear view of the sky to be able to use this technology. Now, SpaceX has its standard version but has also added a premium version to its list of offers. This premium version of Starlink will be able to provide the internet with speeds of up to 500 Mbps at a price of $500. The downloads using the premium versions would come with speeds between 50 to 250 Mbps with latency of 20 to 40 milliseconds. The highest metrics that the premium version could reach would be 150 to 500 Mbps with the same latency. It has also been noticed that the upload speeds have skyrocketed from 10 to 20 Mbps in the standard package to 20 to 40 Mbps in the premium package. As per the statistics, the developments and growth between Q1 of 2021 and Q1 of 2022 are massive. The average download rates in the USA and Canada saw quite a jump. The download speeds also were boosted by a whopping 38%, as the speeds went from 65.72 Mbps to 90.55 Mbps within a span of a year. The main issue that the company was trying to combat was giving internet access to people who are amidst adverse conditions. Thus, for people who are in regions where severe weather conditions are constant, if they have subscribed to Starlink, they'll be able to access the internet with great ease. No matter what the weather conditions outside is, and the service would be provided to them 24/7. As we speak, the only good alternative to a regular broadband connection is what Starlink provides. Last October, Starlink exited from its beta mode and has changed its satellite too. Their previous satellite came with a spherical dish, while the newer version comes with a compact cuboidal dish that has an overall rectangular shape. This was quite an upgrade in terms of its shape and now looks even classier than it did before. Moreover, the antenna of the premium version is bigger and provides better quality, thus giving its users better reception. As of January this year, more than 2,000 satellites were launched by Starlink and around 1,500 were in orbit and functioning. As we speak, the existing systems can launch up to 4,408 satellites, which is roughly triple the current amount. On hearing all these facts, many are quite enticed by the concept and wish to try the service out themselves. However, this raises another question with regards to its cost. While the premium version comes with quite a boost in features, and naturally a boost in its price exists, people have already started pre-ordering the premium satellite, and the earlier one orders, the better, as the number of satellites allowed per region is limited. To top this all off, SpaceX has also come out with their Starlink RV edition, which is perfect for those who are found outdoors more often than they're found indoors. SpaceX has made the satellite while keeping in mind hikers and campers, but the quality of the service provided by this option is not that great when compared to the other available options. The service quality is lower and so are its speeds. The package also costs $135 per month, which is $25 more than the standard version, making the RV version a slightly more expensive alternative. Starlink satellites are available in quite a few regions in the world, including the USA, Canada, Europe, New Zealand, and parts of South America. The rest of the world is set to gain access to the service by next year. The company is targeting these services to all parts of Africa, as this is one nation that's void of such technology. If on hearing all this information, you wish to get yourself the regular or premium version, you can place an order through the website. If the satellite option is not available in your region yet, a request can be sent through the very same website. As of now, you'll have to pay a refundable deposit of $99. In addition to this, you'll have to pay $499 for the equipment charge, and this would have to be paid up front. The items that come as a part of the equipment setup include a mini satellite dish at the requested location, along with a modem and power pack. An additional $50 is charged for delivery and handling costs. Due to the high demand for the product, getting your order fulfilled may take weeks to months. Some regions have customers who have to wait till 2023 to get their orders placed. As we mentioned earlier, the premium version doesn't come cheap. The dish on its own costs a whopping $599, and an additional subscription cost of $110 is charged. This price hike came about quite recently, and those who placed the order before this hike in price are lucky enough to get the deal sorted out at just $549. So when comparing the prices between the different versions, the premium costs 5 times more than the standard option that Starlink is providing. A $500 has to be paid as a deposit, and an extra amount has to be paid for gear such as the satellite, tripod, and Wi-Fi modem. The monthly subscription charge for this package is $500. Elon Musk has spoken out about this in great lengths in various talk shows as well as on his Twitter account. He has also stated that antenna production has witnessed a boost this year, thus making the order flow more smooth flowing and in bigger bulks. This has also reduced the amount of time that one must wait to either place or receive their order. The basic version of the satellite has around 145,000 users, as calculated a short while before, and there are 1,800 Starlink satellites in orbit. On seeing these results, various other competitors have arisen, one being Project Kuiper that we mentioned earlier. On the other hand, we also have Viasat and Inmarsat collaborating with each other to come up with a satellite system of their own. Though the number of competitors is slowly increasing, Starlink is always leading in terms of competition so far. Do you think the premium version of the satellite is worth the price, considering the new features that it provides? Or would you be ready to stick to the standard package, as that stands as a more economical option that also provides internet at pretty great speeds? Bless us with your thoughts in the comment section below. Do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. See you soon!